Maybe it's our natural preference for the quiet life which has enabled the Japanese to take over so many aspects of manufacturing. As far as electronics are concerned, Wales is the favourite location for Japanese investment. The reasons they come here are varied and range from the mercenary attractions of development grants to the inventive abilities of young Welsh engineers whose forefathers mastered the technical problems of the first industrial revolution. Engineers at the Sony plant in Bridgend are showing the way to development workers in Japan, particularly in the field of digital technology.
I think basically British people is very capable and high standard. For instance, the digital technology. Most of the engineers working in here Bridgend factory are superb compared with every individual engineer in Japan. I think important thing to me is how to organize those individual knowledge.